In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Zoom link on a laptop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your meeting link and the quickest ways to send it to the right people using email or chat. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app on your laptop. If you're not already signed in, log in to your Zoom account. Make sure you sign in as the host account for the meeting you want to share. That's important because the host view gives you access to the meeting details you'll need. Once you're in, go to the Meetings tab. This is where all your scheduled meetings live. If you've already scheduled the meeting, simply select it from the list to see its details. If you don't see one yet, click Schedule to create a new meeting. Set the basics like date and time, and save it so it appears in your meetings list. With the meeting selected, look for the options labeled Copy Invitation or Copy Join Link. Both will put the details on your clipboard, ready to paste. Copy Join Link gives you a clean, clickable URL that takes participants straight to your meeting. Copy Invitation includes everything in one block of text, typically the meeting link, date and time, meeting ID, passcode, and optional dial-in info. Use Copy Invitation when your guests might need more context. Use Copy Join Link when you just want a fast, simple link. Now paste your link or invitation into the place where you plan to share it. If you're using email, open your email app like Outlook or Gmail, start a new message, and paste the link or the full invitation into the body of the email. You can add a short note to clarify the purpose or time if you use the simple link. Then address the email to your participants and send it. If you prefer a chat app, open your conversation in something like Messenger or WhatsApp desktop, click into the message box and paste. Most chat apps will automatically turn the link into a clickable preview. Send it to your recipients so they can join quickly. A quick tip for clarity. If your meeting requires a passcode or uses a waiting room, the full invitation text makes it obvious to attendees. If you share only the link, consider mentioning that a passcode might be prompted so no one is surprised. That's it. Open Zoom, sign in as the host, go to Meetings, select or schedule, copy your invitation or link, and paste it into email or chat. You're ready to share your Zoom meeting with confidence.